Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best alternatives to Square loans. As a small business owner, I've had to navigate the tricky world of financing, and while Square loans are convenient, they aren't always the perfect fit. Sometimes the repayment structure, the fixed fee, or the loan amount just doesn't align with your business needs. That's when you need to know your alternatives. I've personally explored a few, and here's what I found to be the top contenders. First, let's talk about PayPal Working Capital. This is very similar to Square loans. If you process a lot of transactions through PayPal, you're likely to get an offer based on your sales history. It's fast, straightforward, and the repayment is a percentage of your PayPal sales, which means you pay less when business is slow. I like this option for its simplicity and speed, especially for quick cash flow needs. Next up are business lines of credit from online lenders like OnDeck, or even options like the American Express Business Line of Credit. This is a great alternative if you don't need a lump sum all at once. A line of credit is revolving, meaning you only borrow what you need when you need it, and you only pay interest on the amount you've used. This gives you much more flexibility to handle unexpected expenses or bridge short-term cash flow gaps. It's a lot more like a business credit card, but often with higher limits and lower rates. Finally, for businesses with strong accounts receivable, invoice factoring or financing is an excellent alternative. I had a client who was waiting 60 days for payment on large invoices. With factoring, you sell your unpaid invoices to a third party at a discount, and they advance you the cash immediately. It's a way to unlock money that's tied up in your sales, turning a 60-day wait into a 24-hour turnaround. It was a game changer for my clients' operational expenses. The key takeaway from my own experience is that you shouldn't feel locked into just one option. Each alternative, from the quick fix of PayPal Working Capital, to the flexibility of a business line of credit, to the efficiency of invoice factoring, has its own pros and cons based on your specific financial situation. Always look at the total cost of capital, the repayment structure, and how quickly you need the funds before making a decision. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.